Damon Hunt here with Hunt the Forex Trading Levels. Okay, so tonight it's pretty easy. You can see we have a slight tad of confluence down here. Our first trading confluence is at 26.09, and our last bit is at 26.83. And we have in the middle there, 25.98, basically 2600. We've got the pivot and the L3. There's a lot of reason, aside from a million fibs and retracement levels and what have you, there's a lot of confluence in this area. Actually, there's one I didn't check here. I should save that for my longer version, but yes, of course, we have the 1618 level in there too at 2604-ish. Yeah, I mean, the universe stops here. So, buy on L3. Very simple. Funnily enough, sell on H3. I know, things are lining up. It's crazy. There's a lot that goes into the H3 too, but just to throw it out there quickly, you have a fib for this major system up at the H3. So that's a sell at 27.48, or at worst, because I think this is the trade that I much rather, if I was going to lean towards one or the other, I would take the buy over the sell because you have momentum in your favor. So take the buy. There's another place you can take profit. If you don't want to take it all the way up to there, you can take it back up to just a higher high, because we actually have confluence in here. We have another level that sort of hasn't been hit. The bodies of this has been hit, basically. But there's a little spike that you can't see right there. And if you take this up to that, we haven't hit this level yet. So this is the level to watch. Just you know, a squeak of the higher high, but it makes sense to hit the H3 tonight. There's no reason why not to. So other than this massive trend line, which I'll just show you quickly because this is the quick version, and we have a massive trend line here, which lines up with this right. If I take the prior markets, so it's just a little bit higher than tonight. We got a big trend line coming down, and you could get a bounce off that. Might be a good place to take profits. Definitely take profits up here, I would say. In the daily, we have, I can't even really see the overbought level, but basically the overbought level is going to be up at 2750 area too. Overbought and this trend line. So there's a huge reason why that, unless this is some huge extended system and I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, and it just goes straight through this trend line. But anyway, great place to take profits tonight is the H3 if you're not going to trade it down. And if you do trade the H3 down, I would suggest taking profits back at the 61.8. It's not huge, may come down here, but if you're just going to be quick about it, you can get 50 pips out of it here or try for 100. But that's what I think about that. The up trade though, take the up trade, says the Damon. And be quick with your stops. Don't marry it, even though it looks great, because it's a crazy market right now. Okay guys, that's the quick version. Ciao.